Welcome to the UAC's guidance website, guidance.ouac.on.ca. This video will show you how to log in to Coles. On the guidance website, select Coles Login. You can find this button in the top navigation bar or in the Coles section on the homepage. Your school will have a Coles administrator who is the primary UAC contact and Coles gatekeeper for your school. Your Coles administrator must register you for a Coles account each year, even if you were registered in previous years. When you are registered, you will receive your user ID and a temporary password by email starting in September. If you have lost or forgotten your password, you can request a new temporary password. Enter your user ID and email address and we will email you a link to reset your password. This link will expire in 1 hour after you receive it, so you must reset your password within that time frame. After you are registered, enter the user ID and temporary password provided in the registration email and click Login. The first time you log in, you will need to change your temporary password to your own personal password. Once this step is done, the login process is complete. For more features and tips about using Coles, check out the Coles resource section on the guidance website.